Morning students, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing well. A hearty welcome to today's English class. Today we are going to learn the 8th unit from the workbook. Students, take page number 115. Vocabulary. Suggest a word for each sentence or phrase correctly. Refer to the chapter. Reach for the top. Part 1 given in your textbook behind. The paragraph numbers where these words are used are given in brackets. A state of happiness and satisfaction. Contentment. An action or way of behaving that is usual in tradition, custom. A word or statement that expresses agreement or confirmation, affirmative. The ability to withstand hardship or adversity, resistance. Final stage of something you have been working towards, culmination. Fill in the blanks using the words given in the box. These words are taken from the chapter. Reach for the top of your textbook behind. You can refer to a dictionary to find out the meanings of these words. Prevails, positive, apology, affluent, expedition, culmination. She wears expensive dresses and jewelry. It seems she belongs to an dash family, affluent. At present, political turmoil dash in most parts of the world prevails. Mr. Khanna admitted his mistake by writing a letter of dash to the head of the department, apology. The director was quite dash while addressing his employees, positive. The result that you see today is a dash of years of hard work and dedication, culmination. School children went on a week-long dash during their summer holidays, expedition. Playing with the words, how many words can you make from the words given below? Vocal, vocalize, V-O-C-A-L-I-S-E, vocalize. Vocalist, V-O-C-A-L-I-S-T, vocalist. Vocation, V-O-C-A-T-I-O-N. Vocative, V-O-C-A-T-I-V-E, vocative. Vocational, V-O-C-A-T-I-O-N-A-L. Second word is labor. Laborious. L-A-B-O-R-I-O-U-S. Laborious. Laboratory. L-A-B-O-R-A-T-O-R-Y. Laboratory. Laboriously. L-A-B-O-R-I-O-U-S-L-Y. Laboriously. Laborer. L-A-B-O-U-R-E-R. Fourth one, an idiomatic expression is a group of words with a special meaning. The individual words in the expression do not mean what they otherwise stand for. Maria Sharapova cannot be pigeonholed or categorized. Her talent, unwavering desire to succeed and readiness to sacrifice have lifted her to the top of the world. Here, pigeonholed does not mean that there is a hole for the pigeon to its nest, but it means that someone or something belongs to a particular type or a group is categorized, especially without knowing much about them. Now consult a dictionary and match the following idiomatic expressions given in column A with their meanings in column B. Eager beaver, a keen and enthusiastic person who works very hard. Cash cow, something of someone provides a lot of money for little effort. Kangaroo court, an unofficial court or meeting that disregards current laws and conducts unfair trials. Bull in a china shop, very careless in the way a person moves or behaves. Hold your horses, wait and be patient. In the chapter Reach for the Top, in Beehive, you have read that two clauses in a sentence have their own subject and verb or verb phrase. One part of the sentence or one clause tells us why or when something happened. I read Sherlock Holmes while I was on holiday. It was raining heavily when I got home in the evening. I will phone you when I go to the clinic. Can I borrow your book when you have finished it? Mark each of the sentence halves given below to make meaningful sentences. He was found guilty of driving while he was under the influence of alcohol. I get a pain in my knee when I walk up the stairs. Last one. The boy started to cry when the mother left. Rainy was walking along the footpath when she tripped over. First one. When the lights went out, I switched on the emergency light. Third answer. You will see the river when you cross my house. Make one sentence combining the two statements given below. It's getting dark. Let's go home before that. Let's go home before it gets dark. She must clean the room. I won't enter the room until this is done. I won't enter the room until she cleans the room. I won't enter the room until she cleans the room. I will do the cooking, then I will come to your house. I will come to your house after doing the cooking. I will come to your house after doing the cooking. I will go to the library, then I will issue the book for you. When I go to the library, I will issue the book for you. When I go to the library, I will issue the book for you. Evening came, they rested. They rested when evening came. They rested when evening came. The salesman came. Rita was eating her breakfast. While Rita was eating her breakfast, the salesman came. While Rita was eating her breakfast, the salesman came. We went to see the play with grandfather. Do you remember? Do you remember when we went to see the play with grandfather? Do you remember when we went to see the play with grandfather? In each of the following sentences, you have to remove or add a word or a phrase to make the sentence grammatically correct. Write the correct sentences in the space given below. Maria Sharapova likes to be dancing, singing and fashion. Maria Sharapova likes dancing, singing and fashion. To be is not necessary in this sentence. B. She has love for pancakes with chocolate spread and fizzy orange drinks. Answer. She loves pancakes with chocolates spread and fizzy orange drinks. C. Maria had to be leave for her mother behind in Siberia at age of 9. Answer. Maria had to leave her mother behind in Siberia at the age of 9. D. She put with insults and humiliations in order to realize the dream of becoming a tennis star. Answer. She put up with insults and humiliation in order to realize the dream of becoming a tennis star. E. Her dream was to be number 1 world tennis. Her dream was to be number 1 in world tennis. There are spelling errors in the paragraph given here. Correct the spelling errors and rewrite the paragraph with appropriate punctuation marks in the given space. Awake, arise, and educate. Smash traditions, liberate. First female teacher of India's first women school, founder of the modern Marathi poetry at a time when women's potential and calibre were underestimated. She worked for the upliftment and education of females in the country with her husband's help. So first female teacher of India's first women school. Women's school, founder of the modern Marathi poetry at a time when women apostrophe S. So in the women's school also women apostrophe S, women's. Potential and calibre, CALIBRE, not CE, were underestimated single R and single M, UNDERESTIMATED, cut off one R and one M. She worked for the upliftment, only one F is there. UPLIFTMENT, upliftment and education. Instead of S you have to put a T. EDUCATION, education of females in the country with her husband's help. Husband apostrophe help, S, help. She opened a school for untouchable girls. Full stop. Orthodox only single R, ORTHODOX. Orthodox individuals from the upper caste, 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 used to mock at her efforts, 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 and throw stones and dung on her. Nevertheless, N should be capital letter after her, full stop. Nevertheless, NEVERTHELESS, there is no double T, only one T is there. Nevertheless, she continued with her teaching, full stop. The T should be capital letter. The British government, G should be capital letter, government. GOVER, R should be there. GOVERNMENT, government honored her contribution to education. EDUCATION, education. later on. So write down the passage correctly in the space given. So, with this we come to the end of this unit. Students, write the answers correctly in the workbook and study. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.